One of your most recent roles has been Turandot, has it not?
That's right.
As a matter of fact, you sang it very recently, didn't you?
Yes, Saturday night.
Saturday night.
That's right. And Monday I did Mass Ball too. And this Saturday is André
Just
Chenier.
for a light workout, you
That's
did
right.
the
Three different
Ball.
operas. 3 different operas in 7 days.
Well, we're going back to this past Saturday night. Mr. Tucker has been kind enough to agree to recreate for us one of the most exciting scenes, I think, on the operatic stage. The wonderful aria, Nessun Dorma. Mr. Henderson, please.
Nessun dorma, nessun dorma. Tu pure, o principessa, nella tua fredda stanza, guardi le stelle che tremano d'amore e di speranza. Ma il mio mistero è chiuso in me, il nome mio nessun saprà, no, no, sulla tua
Tucker. So, yes.
I get the feeling the cue is coming.
You
Excuse
have
me.
a feeling a song is coming on, Mr. Tucker? Well, you're entirely right. Tell us what it is.
Well, the song is from No Strings, and it's the Sweetest Sounds.
Richard Tucker, the Sweetest Sounds.
What do I really hear, and what is in the ear of my mind? Which sounds are true and clear, and which will never be defined? The sweetest sounds I'll ever hear are still inside my head. The kindest words I'll ever know are waiting to be said. The most entrancing sight of all is yet for me to see. And the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me, is waiting somewhere
You're just coming sitting down. I'm going to put you right back to work again. Another one of the great selections from Mr. Tucker's new Columbia album, the fabulous voice of Richard Tucker, and oh dear, isn't it fabulous, is a song that Mr. Rogers told me was Mr. Hammerstein's favorite lyric, along with Old Man River. He had two, and this was his other favorite lyric, the great American art piece, really, from the score of Carousel, You'll Never Walk Alone. Mr. Henderson?
Go right back.
Through a storm, hold your head up high, and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of a storm is a golden sky, and the sweet silver song of a lark.